Hello and good afternoon, actually, from the Disneyland Resort. It's currently like 3:40 p.m. Because someone had school today, not to name any names. Elias. Anyways, yeah, so we're here now. There's a few things I want to report today, so I'm not going to waste any time doing that, so we're going to do that right now. Just kidding. I actually want to point out these shirts really quick. Shout out to my tia Christie. She lives all the way up in Texas, and she made these for me. It's also her birthday, so say happy birthday, Christie, in the comments, please. She would really appreciate it. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, now we're actually starting the video. Trust me, there's a reason you clicked on this video. Our first stop is the current status of Splash Mountain, soon to be Tiana's Bayou Adventure. So, first of all, there's walls up. No surprise there. But the sign here is not just Tiana's Bayou Adventure, it's Tiana's Foods, which is like the company, Tiana's company.
Just in case you get hungry.
Yeah, just in case you get hungry over in the bayou, right?
Exactly, right.
Yep.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then the mountain itself is going to be a salt mine. So at some point we're gonna see the tree stump at the top removed, just like we saw at Walt Disney World. And
You can just tell that mountain's not having a zippity-doo-dah day, let me tell you.
is it time to move along?
Yeah, for this attraction, yeah, it is.
What I find kind of funny is that it says please keep dry when it's a water ride. I don't know why that's funny to me, it just is. These walls, as you'd imagine, continue all the way down to the entrance, and I assume to the exit. I haven't been down there yet, but I'm going to. The Briar Patch, this is interesting though. The Briar Patch is still there, which is shocking considering Disney's trying to remove every reference to Splash Mountain or Brer Rabbit and Brer Bear and stuff. I'm gonna go check inside real quick. Everything here is all we have left of Splash Mountain. Really. We have Brer Rabbit there, and then Brer Fox, Brer Rabbit, and Brer Bear. And this is like the only trace that we have left of them. And soon, most of this is probably gonna be gone, but it's only a matter of time.
Also, there should be no words from the first mate.
You might be wondering why we're on the March Plane right now, and I have a pretty good reason for it, which I'll explain in a moment when we get going. Okay, where are we now? I'll explain why we're here. Just a second. Actually, I'll let the sound speak for itself.
Beyond those levee walls on the north side is the Bayou, future home of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Princess Tiana swears there's magic out there, and wherever you find magic, you're bound to find surprises. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed. It's not quite finished yet, but we're almost there.
Commentary, which is also on the Disneyland Railroad, which we'll get to right now. Or actually maybe not, because the line for the railroad is about as long as the line for Space Mountain for some reason. So I'm not waiting in that to get 15 seconds of footage. So I'll just put a video right there so that you can hear the audio.
We're now entering the Bayou, soon to be home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Princess Tiana swears there's magic out here, and wherever there's magic, there's bound to be surprises. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed. Speaking of surprises, this place we're passing over is chock full of them. Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, and other beloved critters on fun-filled adventures where anything can happen.
Now that that's out of the way, there's a few other things I want to talk about. In a previous video, I mentioned that at the top Sawyer Island Fantasmic stage is scrim-free, but you can't go on it. And that rule has since changed. You can go on the island now, or at least on the stage now. However, I just got here 15 minutes late, it's 5 o'clock and the island's closed. So the stage is back. Can't go on it, like I already said. Or we can't go on the island because, you know, it's closed. But you can go on the stage. Only difference is that there's some new wood. I guess it was damaged in the fire. And besides that, that's it. It's back to normal. Don't know when to expect Fantasmic coming back though. So now we're at the Adventureland Treehouse. And there's some interesting developments. It's part of the scrim's down. And this thing's been closed for what, like a year? More than a year actually. And then there's some lampposts there. I don't know if those are new or not, but they're covered up. And then that is only what I can only assume is another lamppost, just themed to Adventureland. So yeah, it looks like that, right? That. It looks like that. But I don't know. I don't know exactly what that is either. It just looks like a pole. It just looks like a pole. I can't tell you what that is. I would assume that's also a lamppost. Just maybe without the lights right now? Because why else would there be more poles right there? They don't have lights either, but those are definitely lampposts. Interesting to say the least. Here's a little mystery. There's some walls up around some of the poles in the Esplanade. But only some of them, and some are big and some are small. I don't know why. It's like there's nothing in there. I have no idea what's going on here. Before we continue, we have some very important stuff we need to do. First, I think y'all know where this is going. I mean, like, if you know me, you know I love my bread. What are they doing to my bread factory? The bakery tour is open during construction. Oh, thank God. I have braces now, so I'm very limited as to what I can eat. And this is one of them, so I'm very grateful of that, because it's very tasty. Hey, Editor Alex here. I stupidly forgot to film the outro to the video, so I'm just gonna record the outro as if it was just any other video. Also, I apologize that my mic sounds really bad. I'm having problems with my microphone. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button, please, and turn on notifications to be uploaded, to be notified when I upload a new video. It's late, I'm sorry. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next one.